everyone, and today I'm in my home workshop and I'm going to be steaming my Southworth Weir pump. Now this is a pump that I bought for my Sweet Pea locomotive, which is currently being restored by Keith Appleton. I really recommend going to see his video. And I brought the pump back home with me so I can have a bit of steam with it before it needs to be fitted to the locomotive. So the plan is to sit it in a bowl of water, so it's going to be constantly pumping water, because obviously you need to run these with water in the pumps to lubricate it, and we'll connect it to the boiler and see if we can get it steaming. So I'll get the boiler lit and then we'll do some lubrication of the engine. So I've got the pump sat in this container. We'll put some water in, so then the pump will pump water whilst running. Just enough to cover the inlet. Yeah, and the inlet is now covered, so it'll pump hopefully. So before I run it on steam, I'm going to give it a quick run on compressed air to see how it is. Right, so what happened there when it sped up, which I forgot to think about, stupid me, is it pumped all the water out of the container, so now it's not covering the inlet and air was getting in there. But as you can see, it does go. So the next step for me is to find a bigger container for it to sit in. So I've put the pump in a bigger container, and I've also put a bit of old laminate just here to stop it from splashing out. So let's give it another run. There we go, that's a bit better. So as you can see, she runs very well. So now I'm going to get the boiler going, get it connected to the boiler, and hopefully we'll get it going on steam. So the fire is now lit, and my Bancroft picture just fell off the wall. I've got this picture I bought at Bancroft last time I was there, and it just fell off the wall. Great. You gonna stay there or? Okay, there we are. Oh, that wasn't hard, was it? Honestly. Okay guys, so we've now got steam up in the boiler, so we're going to let some steam to the engine. You might have to do a jump start with a spanner. There we go. Perfect. So now the boiler is out of steam and the engine has stopped. We're going to give it a quick run on compressed air to blast any condensate out of the cylinder. Okay, here we go. Tip 1. Connect your silicone piping to the air compressor. Right, let's try that again. Tip 2. Put a Jubilee clip on your piping. Right, here we go. Oh my god. Thanks for watching, guys.